Okay guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of this set and I'm going to do it. But first, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now I have some scissors to help me open it. We'll come back once we get everything out. Okay, we got it open. Here's everything that it has. It has this background. Well, whatever it is. It has a magnifying glass to look at what you're looking at. And then we have a brush to brush it when you find something, you can brush it off. We have some tools. Here's the stabbing tool, and then we have a hammer to hammer that down with. And then we have some string to get your rocks on. Oh yeah, this is a rock finding kit. You find fossils and stuff in here. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the hammer. You can do it in a rock like this, you see? Stick it in a rock, and then hammer it down. Do this. I'll be back once I find something. Okay, now I'm just getting this open. Yeah, I'm gonna brush it off. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. There. I'll be back once I kind of dig this side up. Okay, I kind of dug this side up. You can do whatever you want. I just am doing this. It's kind of like digging. Kind of like splitting a cake open. But digging inside the cake for me. I'll be back when I finish the sides. Okay, now I'm gonna brush the side a little off. Brush it off. And then I'm gonna let's see. Sorry, it was a little too loud and knocked the trash can over. Okay, now I'm just gonna, maybe this could work. I don't know what's gonna work. Oh, there. Like a screwdriver. I'm taking a hole. I'm a miner. Or bath bomb. This is a bath bomb if you want to put it in water. Once I kind of dig this hole deeper, we'll be back. Okay, I'm just gonna use my scissors to see if I can. Maybe I can cut it. Kind of works. Okay, we'll clean this up from here and then we'll be back. Okay, now I'm just gonna get this stuff off. I think we found something. Let's see. I don't know. I'll be back once I dig this wider. Okay, this is off, and now you can kind of see what we have. I'm trying to dig it out. I'm gonna dust it off first. It's really dusty. Okay, bad idea. Getting all over. That. Ooh, it's like a jewel. I'll be back once I get it out. We broke it in half. I can see another one right here, but here it is. I'm gonna show you the other ones later. Here, I'm gonna dig in this. I'll be back once I dig. There's nothing in that clump, so I'm gonna dig this out. Whoa, I found two. There. It's pretty. I'll be back when I do this. There's one more I need to get out. I'll show you the rocks after I get the last one out. Somewhere in this. Oh, I see it. Got this. I'll be back once I hammer this down. Okay, now I got my rocks. Here's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Here's the last one. It's really cool. It's kind of like a dinosaur. And then we have 2 clears. This one was the clear one, the second, I think, the second rock, the first rock, and then the third rock, I think. And then I'm gonna, oh wait, here's one, the 5th rock that we got. It's really beautiful. And then we have a magnifying glass. You can look at them at. That's one. This one's really pretty. This is like my favorite. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of all of these. I'm supposing this one is mine. Kind of looks like mountains if you like set it down. Okay, we wrapped it. So we wrapped it, and I think we put a string under, and then we measured it around my neck, and then we tied it. Now it's on my neck. It's on my neck, it's on me. If you didn't see my other videos, make sure you see them. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and give this video a big thumbs up.